welcome and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a cute, simple, easy top for summer. Maybe for one of those hot days where you don't want anything against your skin, you just want some breeze. So let's get started with today's tutorial. For this project, I've had this offcuts for a while and I really wanted to make a cute top from it because it's also such a small piece. We're gonna start out by cutting out a big rectangle of 45 inches times 6 inches. You can use any type of material that you have around for this top. As long as it's not too stretchy, it can definitely do the job. The rectangle that we just cut out is the main part of the top. Now we're gonna cut out the pieces for the breast area. So you're gonna measure 7.6 across and then 7 inches in height. You can measure this from going to your left to your right on your breast to measure how much you need for this. I was actually supposed to also cut out a dot on this and I totally forgot. I don't know, a lot was going through my head. So you can also add a dot so that your breast sits nice and comfortably inside the top. So we're cutting out 4 pieces of the top part of our top because the fabric is so see-through. So the other 2 pieces is our lining. So now we're gonna cut out some straps. For the shoulder straps, I use 16 inches long for each strap. So I'm just cutting out 2 of them at the same time. That's why the strap is so long. Also go ahead and cut out the 2 straps for the front ties of the top. Now we're going to overlock all the raw edges of the rectangle that we cut out first, and then we're going to iron down the seams where we want to hem around the top. Folding about 1/2 inch and pressing it down on the sides of the rectangle and one long side of the rectangle. I also went ahead and ironed my straps, so I folded into each other and then in half, and then I'm going to top it up with a top stitch to secure the straps. This is how the straps are looking. Now we're going to take the triangles of the top and then right side's looking up. You're gonna put the strap in the middle with the right side facing anyhow, and then take the last part, put it right side facing down, and then sew around it. Here's what we have. You're gonna do the exact same thing for the other piece of the triangles, and you're gonna press this down with an iron. Now we're gonna go back to our top and hem the 2 shorter sides of the rectangle and one longer side that we ironed down. After hemming our rectangle, we are going to do a top loose stitch so that we can gather it to give a little bit of a ruffle on the rectangle part of the top. Now we're going to be attaching the triangles to the bottom of the top. So you're just gonna start aligning the very end of the big rectangle to the very end of one of the triangles and then pin it down. So I was trying to pin it down in a way it's going to cup my breast and make it sit in there. Since I forgot to add a dot and I didn't also think to put a dot at this stage, or I was just being lazy, I don't know which one it was, but so that's how I ended up sewing it together. And now I'm going to add the front ties. Just do a little top stitch, make sure you back stitch it so that it stays in place, and then the middle area between the 2 triangles we're just going to do a straight top stitch hem. We're going to attach our shoulder straps to the back piece of the top. The easiest way to do this is to just guess where you want them to be, pin it in place, try it on and see if they're making sense, and adjust it where it's very comfortable for your body.